I brought the tank home on my trailer that I was able to back right up to the garage floor. In order to secure the tank, I put 2x4s through the skid and then bolted those 2x4s to the bottom of the trailer. And then I also used a series of straps to hold the box down to the trailer. At this point, I had already started to lower the tank into the basement and thought that it might be a good opportunity to videotape. The tank is, at this point, held in place with an electric winch. The winch has a remote on and off switch that I was using to activate, and I was smart enough to put the winch attached directly to the skid, and the other end of the winch's rope was attached to a tree in the backyard. This way the winch and the controls were always with me as we went down the stairs. I'm struggling here because the turnbuckle that I used to attach the winch to the plywood with was catching on the stairs. The little locking nut and bolt on the turnbuckle was catching on each step, and I fought this all the way down. I could have designed a better system where it wouldn't have this projection that would catch, but first time I've ever done anything like this, so. Just remember that all the crunches and squeaks you hear is the sound of the plywood and the turnbuckle on the stairs, and none of it is the sound of the hot water tank. Trying to figure out why this is catching. I hadn't figured out the turnbuckle yet. I'll speed the rest of this up because it's just more of the same. The whole process took around 9 to 10 minutes. We're almost there. have touched down. And finally, success. The eagle has landed.